Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education, Commerce Theory part for the second year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with, that is the sixth chapter, setting up of a business. So this is the sixth session of the chapter. So in the previous session, we have discussing how the Telangana government is moving its steps for the development of the industrial units in the Telangana. Whether it may be micro units or small scale industrial units or medium industrial units. So whatever it may be, the government of Telangana taking few steps for the development of those industries. So in this session also we are going to study about how the government of Telangana is helping for the development of the industrial units. So the Telangana state government industrial park is developed in such a way that along with the anchored units. So the Telangana industrial parks, so industrial park means the place where the number of industries can be started. The place is facilitated with the water, electricity and the necessary things which are necessary in order to continue the industrial work without any kind of disturbance or any kind of stoppage. Okay. So anchor units means this is generally used for the ships or boats in order to hold the ship at a particular place. They will use an anchor. Okay, so in the industrial units, near the industrial units, there will be anchor units. Anchor units means those industrial units are near to the seaports also. Encourage plots are made available for setting up suppliers vendor part. So these parks, these industrial parks are encouraging the suppliers to supply the raw material which is necessary for the industrial units. Okay, the suppliers will be coming from the different places. So these anchor units will help the suppliers to come in the waterway and also to supply the necessary goods or raw material to the industrial units of the industrial park. The government created a maintenance fund jointly with the industries and associations. So the government has maintaining a fund in order to maintain both industries and their industrial associations. In order to handle both of these two, the government is maintaining a separate fund for them. Okay, which will act as a safety net for the small medium enterprises that face many crises and run the risk on imminent sickness. So when the government is maintaining a separate fund for the industries and their association, it will help the government and also for the small medium enterprises. Okay, it will helping the small medium enterprises in order to continue their industrial work without any stoppage. Okay, there will be no any kind of risk for them. It will protect the total industrial unit and their associations. So for this purpose also the government is maintaining a separate maintenance fund. So if the industries are sick, means they are facing the losses or they are in risk, these maintenance funds is used by the government to protect those industries which are sick. Special support to SC/ST enterprises is offered through TS Pride. Special support is given by the Telangana government to the enterprises of SC/ST enterprises. SC/ST enterprises means SC stands for scheduled caste and ST stands for scheduled tribe. So these are the backward classes. For the development of these SC/ST enterprises, the government is offering a TS Pride, that abbreviated as TS Pride. It means Telangana Program for Rapid Incubation of Dalit Enterprise Units. Okay, so TS Pride stands for Telangana State Program for Rapid Incubation of Dalit Enterprises. So for the development of these Dalit enterprises and for the rapid incubation, means rapid development, fast development of these enterprises, the government of Telangana taking the support steps. Yes. So some of the activities are as follows. So now I am going to explain you some of the activities or some of the supporting steps which the government of Telangana has been taken to support these SC/ST enterprises. So first one, a special direct funding program for financing SC/ST enterprises. So the first one is a special direct funding program. Means the government of Telangana will give special fund for them in order to develop SC/ST enterprises. Payment of margin money on behalf of SC/ST entrepreneurs by the government and creation of rupees 5 crores for margin money refund scheme. So government of Telangana giving a money margin for the SC/ST entrepreneurs, that is up to the 5 crores rupees in order to start the industrial units by these enterprises. So these all are the supporting things which the government is providing. Preferential allotment of plots in industrial parks. So some preferential, there will be certain reservation for them. So those area in the industrial park is completely allotted for the ST/SC entrepreneurs. Okay. Reservation of 22% of land in the industrial estate. If the total industrial estate is 100%, in that 22% there is a complete reservation for the SC/ST entrepreneurs. Okay, no one can, other caste person can't able to do the work in that place. They can't just start the industrial units in those places, which is completely reserved for SC/ST entrepreneurs. Supplier diversity opportunities in large industries. So diversified means dividing. The suppliers are divided. Okay, they can supply to even large industries also. They are motivating. Okay, the suppliers are diversified and they are giving number of opportunities. They are providing, the government is providing the opportunities for the suppliers in the large industries also. State departmental procurement policy in turn with GOIS, small medium entrepreneurs procurement policy of 20%. So state government, the state departmental procurement policy, okay, for the departmental procurement, for the development of the departments, for that purpose 20% for the development of these industrial units, the government is providing a special attention. Organizing intensive entrepreneurs and skill development programs. Okay, intensive entrepreneurs means more updated entrepreneurs and also skill development programs. If the entrepreneurs are not having such a skills which are required in order to continue the industrial units, if they don't have that skills, in such case also the government is providing such a skill development programs. Interest subsidy for service sector. So they are providing the interest subsidy. It means that if they are taking the loan, okay, these SC/ST entrepreneurs are taking the loan, in such case there is no interest is charged or the subsidy, means the government will pay the interest on behalf of them. Okay, units other than the transport sector. So for the transport sector they have to pay. For the interest on the loans there is no need to pay. Organizations like Dalit India Chamber of Commerce and Industry involved in planning, implementing and monitoring the special programs for SC/ST. So for the development of the SC/ST, the Dalit Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, those are involved in the planning and implementing the special programs, such kind of programs which will develop these sections of the people, sections of the people economically, and also in order to bring them forward towards the development, either both in technological development and also the skill development. For this purpose the government of Telangana providing these many schemes and the special programs are completely allotted for the SC/ST entrepreneurs. Special types of reservations are also providing. These all are doing according to the Dalit Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industrial Development. So that is a plan for the development of the industrial units in the Telangana state. So in this way the government of Telangana is concentrating on them. To improve the productivity and income of the traditional art and handicraft, okay, to improve the productivity and the income of the traditional means, just we tell traditional means Vamsha Paramparanga vachedi traditional ga, okay, traditional and also handcraft means they made the things with the hand, okay, hand looming, yes, hand looms, those things, and also making some of the craft things with the hand, those things are known as handcrafts, okay, like Nirmal paintings, Dokra metal work, textiles like Pochampalli Ikat, Gadwal sarees and Warangal carpets. The government of Telangana providing various programs under T. Harat Telangana state. So Harat means Telangana handicraft and artisan revival with technology program. So the government of Telangana, in order to develop the handicraft and handcraft and artisans, okay, in order to develop the handcraft and artisans, the Telangana government has introduced a program. That program is known as Telangana State Handcraft and Artisan Revival with technology program. With technology program means the government providing some type of technology, advanced technology type of missionaries to them in order to complete the work very effectively and efficiently. So what are the things the government is providing? Let us focus. Cluster approach for specific arts and crafts. So in order to do the different types of arts and also the craft, the government is providing the cluster approach, identification and documentation of arts and craft. So what are the arts, the craft they are doing? For that the government is providing certain identification. Technology upgradation and design support centers. Okay, technology, what is the traditional technologies, the traditional things they are using, they are replacing it with the technology, and also designer support centers. Okay, new types of designs are also bringing in the craft world. Skill upgradation and quality improvement. Okay, in order to develop the skills and the quality, okay, quality of the product improvement, for that purpose trading is also giving to these handcraft persons. Common facility centers, registration support, okay, they are giving registration support also, and common facilities like water, power, what are the things necessary, those things are also providing. Niche product development. Niche is nothing but, I have written the meanings, small specialized market for a particular product or service. So it is a small market, it is a specialized market where that particular product is completely special. For example, if we take Pochampalli Ikat, see, that is in Pochampalli, the sarees and dress materials, whatever it may be, it will be completely very beautiful. And also the Gadwal sarees, the most of the women, they like the Gadwal sarees very much, and it is very expensive too. These Pochampalli, Gadwal, these things are very expensive because they are handmade, right? So machine making or the technology related things are different comparing to the handmade. So there is very expensive for these types of activities. There will charge usually a high amount of cost. So these are the some of the things, okay. More things are there which we are, more topics are there which we are going to discuss in the 7th session. This is the 6th session. In the 7th session we are going to discuss the remaining sectors on which the government of Telangana is focusing, and how they are focusing, and what type of development activities for the development, the government of Telangana, what type of activities are implementing. That is, we focus in the next session. Okay, right.